What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Samir, how you guys doing? Alright, guys, this epic drawing today, I'm going to be drawing Broly, the legendary Super Saiyan full body. Alright, I'm going to be using the reference of the Dragon Ball Super Volume 24. Alright, this is the guideline I'm using. I'm going to use this guideline. I'm using A4 paper to draw this wonderful, amazing artwork. Right, so the reference I'm going to be using is Dragon Ball Super Volume 24 manga. Yeah, this I'm going to be using this Broly. I'm going to be drawing in full body, not half body. All right. So guys, as usual, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I upload epic drawing tutorials every day for you. Subscribe, like the video, comment what character do you want to see next. All right. Let's get down to business, guys. Hope you enjoy. Peace out.